Filmora versus PowerDirector. Which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without frustration. Filmora offers simplicity and ease, while PowerDirector brings advanced features and speed. Filmora and PowerDirector are two popular video editing tools targeting different needs. Filmora focuses on intuitive design and beginner-friendly workflows, while PowerDirector emphasizes powerful editing capabilities and faster rendering. The core difference lies in balancing ease of use versus professional-grade features. Filmora is a user-friendly video editor designed for creators who want quick, polished results without steep learning curves. It works with drag-and-drop simplicity, offering a wide range of built-in effects, transitions, and templates. Filmora supports 4K editing and basic color correction, making it suitable for vloggers, social media content creators, and beginners. Its interface is clean and accessible, minimizing technical hurdles. However, Filmora's limitations include fewer advanced tools like detailed motion tracking or multicam editing. Export options are straightforward but may lack some professional customization. Overall, Filmora excels as an all-in-one solution for users prioritizing ease and speed over deep customization. It's ideal for creators who want to produce quality videos quickly without investing time in mastering complex features. PowerDirector is a robust video editor built to deliver professional-level results with a balance of power and accessibility. It supports multi-track editing, advanced motion tracking, and 360-degree video editing, catering to more experienced users and semi-professionals. PowerDirector's interface is feature-rich but remains user-friendly enough for intermediate creators. It offers fast rendering speeds powered by GPU acceleration, making it efficient for longer projects. Strengths include extensive format support, customizable effects, and detailed timeline controls. However, the depth of features can present a learning curve for beginners, and the interface may feel overwhelming initially. PowerDirector is best suited for users who want to push creative boundaries and require advanced tools to refine their videos. It's a solid choice for YouTubers, marketers, and hobbyists aiming for high-quality, versatile video production. Comparing Filmora and PowerDirector highlights a trade-off between simplicity and power. Filmora shines when you need fast, easy editing with polished results, perfect for social media clips or personal projects. Its minimal learning curve allows creators to focus on storytelling without technical distractions. PowerDirector, on the other hand, excels in complex projects requiring advanced features like multicam editing or 360-degree video. It suits users ready to invest time learning tools for greater creative control and faster export times. For example, a casual vlogger may prefer Filmora's straightforward workflow, while a marketing professional or semi-pro filmmaker benefits from PowerDirector's depth. Both editors support 4K and offer rich effect libraries, but PowerDirector's customization options and speed give it an edge for demanding workflows. Choose Filmora if you want a simple, intuitive video editor that delivers quality results quickly without overwhelming features or a steep learning curve. PowerDirector is the better choice if you need advanced editing tools, faster rendering, and more creative flexibility. It's ideal for users ready to elevate their video projects with professional-grade features while maintaining an accessible interface. Both are strong, but your needs decide the best fit.